Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics Infinity Goals. This question is from SAT examination. So question is, the set Z belongs to C such that modulus of e raised to Z is equal to 2019 represents question mark. Then we have four options. Option 1 is the line x is equal to log of 2019. Option 2 is the line y is equal to 2019. And option 3 is a circle. And option 4 is a countable set. So this question is from complex analysis topic. Before we start the solution, firstly we have to consider given conditions. That is, here z belongs to C such that modulus of e raised to z equal to 2019. As we know, z belongs to C. That implies z can be written as x plus iy, where x and y both are belongs to real number. Here e raised to z and it's a modulus, therefore we consider modulus on both sides. By property of exponential function, we can write it as like this, that is modulus of e raised to x into e raised to iy. Then separate its a modulus, that is e raised to x into e raised to iy. So to solve this question, only we consider this part, and in general if we take e raised to I theta where theta belongs to real number, then Euler's theorem represents e raised to I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. When we take its a modulus, then modulus of e raised to I theta can be represented as square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. And we have already know that this is a fundamental identity and its value is equal to how much? 1. That is square root of 1, and square root of 1 is equal to 1. Then e raised to I theta, its a modulus is equal to 1. When we replace theta by y, then its a modulus also gives a value 1. That is modulus e raised to z is equal to e raised to x, it's a modulus obviously equal to e raised to x because x belongs to what? Real number, into 1. So answer is e raised to x. That implies modulus e raised to z is equal to e raised to x. But in given question, e raised to z, its a modulus is equal to 2019. Therefore this is equal to 2019. And when we try to find value of x, then shift exponential part on the right side, that is x is equal to ln 2019. In the option number 1 is true. This question is also from SAT examination. The question is, for z equal to x plus iy, let f of z is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy iota, then question mark. Then we have four options. Option 1 is f is everywhere analytic. Option 2 is f is nowhere analytic. Option 3 is f is analytic only at z equal to 0. And option 4 is f is analytic at every point on the real axis and nowhere else. This question is from complex analysis topic and which is based on concept of CR equation. Before we start the solution, firstly we have to consider given condition. So condition is f of z is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy iota. That is, first part is a real part and we denote it as a u. Similarly, second part is imaginary part and we denote it as v. So u is equal to x square plus y square, and when we take its a derivative with respect to x, then we get obviously 2x, ux is equal to 2x, and derivative with respect to y, then we get 2y, that is uy is equal to 2y. Similarly, v is equal to what? 2xy, so 2xy. When we take its a derivative with respect to x, then we get 2 into y, therefore vx is equal to 2y, and when we take its a derivative with respect to y, then we get vy is equal to 2x. So this is our basic information. Now with the help of CR equation, we are going to solve this equation. For that purpose, what is its necessary condition? For f of z to be analytic, that is ux equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx. From above information, ux is equal to 2x. Similarly, vy is equal to also 2x. So first condition is true. Now we are going to check second condition. Here uy is equal to what? 2y. That is uy equal to 2y. And minus vx is equal to minus 2y. Therefore minus 2y. Clearly we can see these are not equal. That is the second condition is not possible. So clearly we can see CR equation is not satisfied here. Therefore f is nowhere analytic. That is our function f is nowhere analytic. Therefore option number 2 is true.